Yeah, hello, this is Dr. Sushma. We'll talk about tips and how to manage a child with cough and cold at home. You maintain good hydration. You can give warm liquids like soups. You can give milk and plain water. And you can use nasal saline drops, which are easily available. Also use a mucus aspirator as and when required. You can use humidifier at home, which will prevent drying of mucosa and secretions, which will cause blocked nose and again sleepless nights. Make sure the child is sleeping in elevated position. The head should be a bit elevated, and make sure your child rests and sleeps well throughout the sickness.